Hello, grammar enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language journey. Today, we are diving into another topic, which is 10 different ways to say thank you. Let's explore 10 alternatives that will add flair to your expressions. Other ways to say thank you. Many thanks. I want to say many thanks for your generous gift. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for covering my shift yesterday. I really appreciated it. Much obliged. Much obliged for holding the elevator for me earlier. I appreciate it. I appreciate it when you check in on me regularly. You are welcome. Of course, you're welcome. Happy to help. My pleasure. It was my pleasure making breakfast for you this morning. No problem. Oh, no problem. I don't mind driving you to the airport. Not at all. Not at all. I was simply doing my job. Anytime? Just let me know if you ever need anytime else. Anytime. Gladly. I would gladly lend you on my notes anytime you miss class.